True story. An old friend made a culinary confession recently. He had never roasted vegetables. Now, the interesting part is he's nearing retirement age. Yes, this man is in his 60s and he has never roasted vegetables, but he said he wanted to. And you know what? That excites me because that just goes to prove no matter your age, no matter your cooking skill set, there's always something to learn, even if it's as basic as roasting vegetables. If you're in the same boat or you just want some new tips and tricks, today I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily turn plain old vegetables into something roasty and delicious. Hello and welcome to I Wanna Cook. My name is Chef Matt and this channel is all about helping you be a better cook no matter your skill level. And yes, today we are doing basic roasted vegetables, but let me tell you, the flavor of these is anything but basic. Roasted vegetables are absolutely delicious. They work great as a side dish. They work great as a main dish if you're a vegetarian or a vegan or you just want more vegetables in your diet. They are absolutely wonderful. Now, at its most basic, roasting vegetables is simply cutting up vegetables, tossing them in some oil and seasoning, and putting them in a hot oven, usually about 400 to 425 degrees. Now, roasting vegetables doesn't require any really special equipment either. You will need an oven, and you can obviously use a full-size oven, but if all you have is a toaster oven or you don't want to heat up the house, or maybe you live in a dorm or small apartment, you can roast vegetables in a toaster oven. Today, I'm going to show you how to do both, making roasted vegetables in a regular oven and in a toaster oven. You'll also need some sort of roasting pan. Now, this is a beautiful pan that I'm going to use for the full-size oven. This is actually a vintage Desco-ware. It's an enameled cast iron pan, but you could use something as simple as just like this little tray that comes with most toaster ovens. If you want to make life even easier on yourself, just put some foil or parchment paper over this and that'll make cleanup a breeze. You could also use a casserole dish like this, or even like a round pie plate or quiche plate like this. One thing I wouldn't use for roasting vegetables is a cookie sheet that does not have any sort of lip. You want some sort of lip when you're roasting vegetables because sometimes vegetables tend to run their juices and you don't want to create a mess in your oven. So the one thing I would not use for roasting vegetables is a cookie sheet like this. As far as which vegetables to roast, well, which vegetables do you like? Just about any vegetable can be roasted, whether it's asparagus or carrots, tomatoes, Brussels sprouts, whatever you want. Just pick out your favorite vegetables and those will be the ones to roast. Now, before we peel and cut up our vegetables, I want you to do something. I want you to preheat your oven. This is going to be a real time saver. So we're going to preheat our ovens to 425 degrees, then chop up these vegetables. Okay, I've peeled my carrots and you would just peel any other vegetables that need peeling. Now I've got two important tips for success in roasting vegetables. And the first is to cut everything into a similar size. Now no, the vegetables don't have to be the exact size pieces, but you want them to be similar because you want everything to kind of cook evenly at the same rate. Okay, I've got a big, beautiful bowl of vegetables here, and seriously, the washing, peeling, and chopping of the vegetables is the hardest part of this. You've done it, you've made it. So here's tip number 2 for making perfect roasted vegetables, and that is to coat them in oil and seasoning. Now I'm using some olive oil here. I'm gonna use a pretty generous amount, probably a few tablespoons here. And what we're gonna do is we are just going to coat all these vegetables in that oil. And the reason we do that is, well, all that oil, it acts like a nice jacket for these vegetables as they're roasting. It keeps them from drying it out, it keeps them from burning, and it'll also impart a nice little bit of flavor too. So we're just gonna toss these well, and then we're just gonna season them really simply. I've got some salt here. You can use kosher salt, you can use table salt, whatever you like, and some pepper. We're just gonna grind some pepper right on here. And then if you like, you can use some herbs. I've got some oregano here, just some dried oregano. We're gonna sprinkle right on. You could also use herbes de Provence. That's also really good in this. But just give these one more toss. Maybe add a little bit of oil if they don't look like they're coated. These already look and smell so good. Okay, then we are just going to put them on our respective roasting dishes. So for the full-size oven, we're gonna put it on this guy, and for the toaster oven, this little tray. Now here's one other tip for perfect roasted vegetables, and that is to try to put them in a flat layer. Not too crowded, but also not too far apart. If they're too crowded, what happens is vegetables tend to steam instead of roast. And trust me, they're still great. You're really not gonna mess this up. But if you really want the absolute best roasted vegetables, just try to give them some space. And here we go. We got this beautiful big plate of roasted vegetables. Now we're just gonna pop them in the oven. So we're going at 425 degrees, and we're just gonna roast these for, let's say, about half an hour. Now this is gonna vary. Some vegetables are done in as quickly as 15 minutes. Others might take 45. It really depends on your oven, the type of vegetables that you're roasting, and even the pan that you're roasting them in. But we're gonna pop these in the oven and then just kind of give them a stir maybe every 10, 15 minutes. Just kind of give them a nice stir, make sure everything is cooking. And that's all we have to do. It's only been about 15 minutes and it smells amazing in here. Let me show you where we're at with each of these. So these are the vegetables in the toaster oven, and you can see they are already getting nice and brown and just, look at that heat coming off there. So we're just gonna give these a quick stir. I have a feeling that these are gonna be done even faster than those in the regular oven. Let's check on those now too. So open this up. Guys, look at those. And remember, it's hot, so use an oven mitt. We're just gonna give these a nice stir. These are just looking beautiful. Do you hear that sizzle? So there you go. We're gonna close this and just let them keep cooking. And again, let them cook to your liking. If you like them nice and brown and super soft, then cook them to that. If you like them a little more, with a little more bite, then just cook them less. It's been just over a half an hour. Our ovens have been humming away and it smells wonderful in here. Let's check out our roasted vegetables. And remember, use those oven mitts because these are gonna be hot. Let's start with the toaster oven. Oh yeah. These look absolutely fantastic, and you probably just wouldn't even believe that we did this in a toaster oven. I mean, look at this. Everything is just beautiful and nice and brown. This is perfect. So we'll set these here. Now let's check those in the bigger oven. Look at this. And here we go. These are still sizzling. Oh my gosh. Okay, all that's left to do is to test the fruits of our labor. Now, you can even dress these up further with a vinaigrette or a balsamic, just kind of dripped on it, but I'm kind of a purist when it comes to my roasted vegetables. So let's just try one of these carrots. You see, the beautiful thing about roasting as opposed to like simmering or boiling vegetables is when you simmer vegetables in water or a liquid, well, the flavor leaches out. But when you roast a vegetable like this, it's concentrating that flavor. That dry heat is pushing the flavor of those vegetables deeply into them. So they're soft, and they're just intense and they're awesome. And that is how easy it is to make roasted vegetables. Again, you could do this in a toaster oven if that's all you have, and quite frankly, that's how I usually do it. It doesn't heat up the house, it's fast, it's easy, and when just making 1 or 2 servings, it's perfect. I hope you found this video helpful. As always, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Welcome to my kitchen. I am so glad that you are here. Until next time, I hope you want to cook.